Okay, so for example, we have a following page on WordPress, and here we can see image what we would like to optimize. So I will show you actual size of this image and size what we can get after optimization. So here I simply click on edit post. Here we can see our featured image. Let's click on it. One second. So here is our image, and here we can see size of image. So almost 200 kilobytes. And here is the size of image. So if we will simply click on edit image, so remember this size, let's click on edit image, simply resize it, for example, on 1 pixel, click on scale, and click on back. Here we can see that size is changed. So WordPress automatically reduce size of image what you have uploaded here. And make sure your image already using compressed file format JPG. If you will use PNG, it's not recommended because well, images will be high quality, but all these images will take a lot of your space. So as you can see, we have deducted amount of size of image. So let's click on save it, update it, and let's see if something changes for our website. So as you can see, same image without losing any quality, but size smaller, and this can help improve website loading speed. So make sure to do same things for all images what you have on your website. So as you can see, everything is easy here and simple.